Hey everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury, and I am here with Scrappyshak. Super excited. We are getting ready to do the unboxing of the June 2025 subscription box, and it's called Squeeze the Day. So that kind of gives you a hint of what the theme is going to be about this month. Super excited. And you will always get like the little QR code to where you can go in and you can print off your instructions. That's what I like to do. And I want to show you what we'll be making first, and then we'll see what products and stuff that we're going to have. Normally I like to print just on one side, but yeah, I didn't do that this time for some odd strange reason. So there's going to be our first project. And here is another cute little card. I see a thing going. And then here's a cute little belly band card. And then there is our fourth card we're going to be making. And always in the back of your instructions, there's other inspirations of things that you can create. And also, you do have a 15% off coupon that you can use until July 15th to get any of these related products. So, who's excited to see what we got? I know I am. So, always, you get this beautiful box. Mine is well loved. And first thing you notice is what you'll have a card right here with the QR code. And then you open up this beautiful purple paper and bam! All of the products are in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull everything out. And we'll go through them together. Surprised I have any crinkle paper left. Suki likes to come and get that. And I scared her when I took the plastic off of this little mat here. She kind of runs, so I'm sure she will be back. So as always, in this project, we're going to do, looks like 4 cards. So we have 4 kits. Oh my goodness. Look how stinking cute. Here is an All in Create stamp. Oh, look at all of the fruit. It's called Smooth-Tastic. Look how cute that is. Love it. So you get that. Then you get a lemon vine. I love lemons. Love lemons. Lemon meringue minus the meringue. My favorite. A Crafter's Companion metal die. Super cute. It's from the Mediterranean Dreams collection. Oh, this is a stamp and die set that says Live Your Zest Life. Wow. So cute. So you get all these sentiments. The zest is yet to come. Squeeze the day. Live your zest life. Enjoy the little things. I could just squeeze you. And one of our favorite sayings, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Oh, that is nice. That's a huge set. And also, there is a stencil from Simple Stories with lemons. Super cute, and all these leaves and little flowers. Very nice. Wow, you can use these over and over and over again. So here's your products. And you also get a yellow stickles, which who cannot use glitter in their life? Wow. Very nice kit. Very nice kit. So guys, let's get started and let's go to the first project.